Good morning, everybody. And I'd like to thank IESA for giving me this opportunity to speak at the Vision Summit. Uh, Dr. Radhakrishnan, dignitaries on the stage, ladies and gentlemen. A little bit about ASM Technologies. We are a design services company. A lot of the work we do is with semiconductor tools, medical equipment. And in the past few years, we have started going from just design to prototyping. And we have also started trying to make limited volumes of fairly complex products. So in this endeavor, we have formed what is called ASM Connect, where we have started working with a handful of mid-sized companies, many of whom are around Bangalore and around the country. Most of these companies have deep domain knowledge in specific technologies. They have been around for several decades. In some cases, it's even older. Investments in people, technology, quality, tools. So we, being a mid-sized company, we thought that it would work best if we kind of collaborate, work with these companies, and start doing the high-value manufacturing which Sunny spoke about. So what I will do is, I'm just going to talk about two specific examples of what is already made in India, just to give a sense of what can be done. And most of what we do is bound by very strict NDAs from our customers. And I'm very happy to see some of our close customers here in the audience. So what I'm going to do is to talk of two examples from an adjacent industry, which demonstrates most of the technologies which go into semiconductor tools and some amount of hardware design. So I was asked to limit myself to 2 slides, so I just have 2 slides, so I'm going to do more talking. So if you look at the slide, all the technologies on the right side, the ultrasonic machining, the ultrasonic welding, electron beam machining, and so on, are all the technologies which are very much prevalent in India and which is being used to build products and technologies. The first example I have is from our partner company, Hyundai Vacuum, who are also present here. We work very closely with them. They are a 50-year-old high-tech company of Bangalore. They're probably one of the oldest technology companies in the private sector in Bangalore. So I'm taking the liberty of using some of the work they have done, where we have helped them out on the design. The first one is a very large chamber which is basically evacuated and filled with inert gas, which was used to weld aero engine casings for fighter planes. So this equipment was imported through a transfer of technology for engines being made in India. Very complex. It has safety. It has a high level of safety because it's a tough environment for the welders. The original equipment which was imported had to have a welder go in with life support systems and do the welding, and he could only do this for a couple of hours, and then he had to come out and another welder had to go on, and so on. So when the need to indigenize this came up, what was done was similar chamber, similar inert gas, but the difference was that a robot was designed, a 6-axis robot was designed, which would do about 85% of the welding, and only about 15% of the welding was done with human intervention. This way, the safety issues, the productivity issues were dealt with, and this has been put in production. It is working very well, and the best part is now the foreign engine supplier who has been doing this in the traditional way has actually asked for this equipment to be built and to supply to them for their global needs. So this is example number 1. We're very proud of what HHV has done. Second example is, again, I'm taking the liberty of using their example as a close partner of theirs. They have been in the business of vacuum and pumps for a long time, and especially in diffusion pumps. So one of the world leaders in diffusion pumps, who has been in business for about 40 years, over the years, I think started seeing a lot of competition from newer entrants because of technology, refinement, and so on. And they were being challenged in their market. And then they chose to work with our consortium to see how they could, one, refine the product, make it competitive, make it more up to date, make it modern, so that they get back their leadership position. So in the past 8 years, technology and knowledge which was very native to this company's team, which were also aging, which is built over about 35, 40 years, was carefully transferred, understood, refined, and post-refinement, small volumes were made, and right now about 2,000 of these pumps are made every year, and the customer has regained their market leadership and is probably the number one in that space for those kind of pumps. Is the second example. So these are technologies which are very similar to what we use for silicon tools, and very much in the high-value manufacturing which Sunny spoke about. And this is already being made in India. It's not new. We've been doing this for the last 8, 10 years, if not longer. And we believe that with the consortium approach for mid-sized companies like ours at HHV and many others, we should be able to take on far more complex products, which basically require small to medium volume. And we believe that there is a position for mid-sized companies in this space in India under the Make in India program. So thank you very much.